After turning on the power, the robotic arm should be fixed and cannot move. Connect the mobile phone to the machine, operate the data location, and verify that the connection is successful. Open Setting, Test Laser, click Power Off. The arm should now move freely.
Okay.
Open the set fence, stick the 3 pieces of tape together. Go on the first reflector to test the laser position. Click the red button. If the laser cannot be emitted, you need to check whether the laser tube is damaged. Under normal circumstances, the laser will be emitted, and the position is in the center of the reflector. Wipe the mirror if it gets dirty. In the same way, continue to test the next laser position. Move the arm, test whether the laser points at far and near positions are consistent.
Okay. Okay.
Test whether the laser points at the 4 corners are consistent.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
You need to make sure the laser point is within the circular hole and as centered as possible. Using a piece of tape, press firmly to make the block. The laser dot should be in the center of the circular block. The inspection is complete. Now we test cutting film.